Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to another one of Kaydina's YouTube videos. So today we're going to talk about the Ramadan moon. The moon in Islam is representative of our religion. The moon can be seen all around the world. Wherever you are at night time, it shines up that sky. And Ramadan is the 9th month of the Islamic calendar. And how do we know this? Because we sight the moon. Every time a new moon comes, we know we're in the next month. Now for a new moon to begin, just like a baby, it's ever so small. So you're going to be creating a Ramadan moon with a sliver. Next time you're out and you're at the mosque or passing a mosque, you might see a moon symbol, and now you know why it's there. After all, the moon is the symbol in Islam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Enjoy this activity. This cardboard cutting is the size of a circular side plate. Using the same plate, I'm going to move it over slightly to create the shape of the moon that I desire. It's Ramadan. I want to make sure I have a sliver of new moon, yet I want it to be large enough for me to be able to decorate it and for it to be prominent on my display. After cutting it out and applying craft glue, I'm using cotton wool to give it a look of softness and warmth. I'm spreading out the cotton wool. I've got some wire string lights and I'm going to wrap this all the way around my moon, making sure it's all equal. It's battery operated and has its own switch so I can turn it on and off as I wish. The lights are equally spread out on the wire string, so I want to make sure I'm wrapping it and getting enough light onto the front as I can. I'm checking that the light works and it looks effective. Then I'm going to use strong tape to keep the wire in place on the back. I'm using damage-free Velcro between my wall and my moon. This will hold it up nice and firm. I've created a Ramadan focus wall where my Ramadan moon sits nicely in the corner. Do check out my video on how to make a Fanoos. The link is in the description. And as always, like, share and comment so I can see how you got on with your Ramadan moon. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.